Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the tiniest superfoods with some of the biggest health benefits. Chia seeds. Now, if you've ever bought a bag of chia seeds and just left it sitting in your kitchen because you didn't know what to do with it, this video is for you. I'm going to share 9 super easy, practical, and delicious ways you can add chia seeds to your daily routine, without overthinking it. And here's the best part. By the end of this video, you'll have a chia seed game plan for breakfast, snacks, drinks, and even dinner. Plus, I'll answer the most common chia seed questions people ask, like how much should you take daily, what's the best way to prepare them, and are there any side effects? So grab a notebook, maybe even your bag of chia seeds, and let's get started. Why chia seeds? Before we jump into the 9 ways, let's quickly talk about why chia seeds are worth the hype. They're loaded with fiber, great for digestion and keeping you full. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, good for your heart and brain. High in protein, making them a plant-based protein booster. And they're full of antioxidants, calcium, magnesium, and iron. Basically, they're like tiny nutrient bombs that can help with weight management, energy, and even clearer skin. Okay, now let's get into the fun stuff. 9 easy ways to use them every day. 1. Chia water. The easiest way to start your day with chia seeds? Just drink chia water. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into a glass of water, let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and drink it. Some people add lemon juice or honey for flavor. Drink this in the morning for hydration and a gentle energy boost. Quick question. Would you drink chia water plain, or do you prefer adding lemon? Comment below. 2. Chia pudding. Next up, chia pudding. This one is a classic. Just mix 3 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of milk or any plant-based milk, stir well, and let it sit overnight in the fridge. By morning, you'll have a creamy, pudding-like texture. Top it with bananas, berries, or granola and you've got yourself a healthy, filling breakfast. 3. In smoothies. Smoothies are already nutrient-packed, but chia seeds take them to the next level. Just throw a tablespoon into your blender. They'll thicken the smoothie and keep you fuller for longer. 4. In yogurt or oatmeal. If you're a yogurt or oatmeal lover, chia seeds are your best friend. Sprinkle them on top, no prep required. The crunch is satisfying, and you get the benefits instantly. 5. Chia seed jam. Here's a game changer, chia seed jam. Mash fresh or frozen berries, cook them down for a few minutes, add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and let it cool. The chia seeds thicken it into jam, no sugar, no preservatives, and just pure goodness. Spread it on toast or pancakes. 6. Chia in baked goods. Love baking? Add chia seeds to muffins, bread, or cookies. They add a nice texture and an extra health boost. Bonus. You can also make a chia egg substitute. Just mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water, let it gel, and use it as a vegan egg replacement. 7. Chia energy balls. These are perfect for snacks. Mix oats, peanut butter, honey, and chia seeds, roll them into small balls, and refrigerate. Done! You've got a high-protein, high-energy snack for work or after the gym. 8. In soups and salads. Want to keep it subtle? Sprinkle chia seeds on soups and salads. They don't change the flavor much, but they add fiber and nutrients. 9. Chia fresca or smooth drinks. Finally, chia fresca. A refreshing drink popular in Mexico. Just mix chia seeds with water, lime juice, and a little sweetener. It's hydrating and great for hot days. Alright, before we wrap up, let's tackle some common chia seed questions. Question 1. How much chia should you eat per day? About 1 to 2 tablespoons is enough for most people. Question 2. Do you have to soak chia seeds? Not always. You can eat them dry by sprinkling on food, but soaking helps with digestion. Question 3. Any side effects? Yes, too much can cause bloating. Start small and increase gradually. Question 4. Best time to eat chia seeds? Morning for energy, but honestly, any time works. So there you have it, 9 easy and tasty ways to add chia seeds into your daily routine. From drinks to snacks to full meals, you can pick whichever works for your lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more healthy living tips, and share this with a friend who could use some superfood inspiration. And hey, let me know in the comments, which chia seed idea are you going to try first?